Did you know that when your kidneys fail, your breath literally starts smelling like rotting fish? This happens because waste products called urea build up in your blood, creating a condition called uremia. But the smell is just the beginning of something much worse. As toxins accumulate, urea crystals actually form on your skin, creating a white frost-like coating called uremic frost. You're literally crystallizing from the inside out. Most people ignore the early warning signs: a metallic taste in your mouth, persistent hiccups that won't stop, and restless leg syndrome. These three symptoms together are your kidneys screaming for help. Without treatment, uremic toxins cause your brain to swell rapidly. Within days, this leads to seizures and coma. Your organs start shutting down one by one. If you notice bad breath, skin crystals, and neurological changes happening together, you need dialysis immediately. Your life literally depends on recognizing this deadly combination.